Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will see how you can connect two Bluetooth headphones to a single Windows PC and listen to audio from both devices at the same time. Whether you're watching a movie together with someone, sharing music with a friend, or simply want dual audio output without using any cables, this method can help you do that easily. In this 2026 step-by-step guide, I'll show you a reliable and practical method to connect two Bluetooth headphones to one Windows PC. I will guide you through each step clearly so you can follow along without confusion and get everything working properly on your system. So now let's get started. Firstly, to make this method work, we will use a small tool called Virtual Audio Cable. To download it, first open any web browser on your computer. Then go to the search bar and type Virtual Audio Cable and press Enter. After the search results appear, open the first official website from the list. Once the website opens, look for the download section and download the zip file of Virtual Audio Cable. The download will start, and it may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, go to the location where the file was downloaded. Now right-click on the zip file and click on Extract All. Once the extraction process is completed, open the extracted folder. Inside the folder, you will find the setup file. Double-click on the setup file to start the installation process. Now simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This process will only take a few moments. After the installation is finished, you will notice that a new folder has been created. Inside that folder, you will see a folder named X64. Open the X64 folder. Here you will find a tool called Audio Repeater. Now copy the Audio Repeater application, which is the first one in the folder, and paste it on your desktop so that it's easy to access later. After that, we need to adjust some audio settings on the system. So now open the control panel. In the control panel search bar, type Sound, and then open Sound Settings or Sound Properties. Inside the Sound window, go to the Playback tab. Here you should see a device called Line 1, which was created by the Virtual Audio Cable software. Now make sure that Line 1 is set as the default device for playback. Next, go to the Recording tab. Again, make sure Line 1 is set as the default device for recording. Once this is done, close the Sound Settings window. Now go to your desktop and open the Audio Repeater tool. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. You will need to open the Audio Repeater tool twice, so launch it again to create two separate windows. In the first Audio Repeater window, go to the Wave In option. From the drop-down menu, select Microsoft Sound Mapper. Then go to the Wave Out option and select your first Bluetooth headphone device. Now move to the second Audio Repeater window. In this window, under Wave In, select Line 1. And under Wave Out, select your second Bluetooth headphone device. Once everything is selected correctly, simply click on the Start button in both windows. After doing this, the audio from your computer will now be routed to both Bluetooth headphones. Now you can play any music, video, or movie on your PC, and the sound will play simultaneously through both Bluetooth devices. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.